Okay, check this out. This is a digital picture of a letter that I printed out to my friend Tom. I made this on my computer and sent it to him. He was happy to receive it. Now, he didn't ask me, did I build it in Word, WordPad, WordPerfect, Notepad? As long as the letter was written and produced, all was good, and the message got across. Notepad is free and can create as many letters as you need it to, so perhaps I printed out the letter from Notepad. Perhaps this letter was printed out from Word, where the program will offer me greater assistance in writing letters and even do stuff like check my spelling. You can write letters in Notepad, and Notepad is free, and it doesn't have any complicated buttons in it. So why don't we just all use Notepad? Well, writing in Microsoft Word offers you things like color-coding your spelling errors, making suggestions, italics, shading, all kinds of things that isn't really so easy in Notepad. Word is often the preferred way to develop letters that you write to other people. So Word is considered a better development environment for writing letters. So what if you're not interested in writing letters, but you're interested in writing C# code? Can you write C# code with Notepad? Yep, sure can. It's not going to offer you much assistance. Can you write C# code in Word? Yep, but it's not really designed to make very good suggestions on how to spell and what to do there. So, we need another application that is really rich with its suggestions and assistance in writing C# code. Visual Studio is a programming environment, sometimes called an integration development environment, for writing code. It understands C# code really well. Think of Visual Studio as a text editor that makes extremely poignant suggestions about how to write C# code. It can spot errors before you even try to run them, and it can also have code generation automatic for you. Now, the free version of Visual Studio that works with C# is called Visual C#. You will notice in your book, in the Introduction chapter, we have the most current URL for installing Visual C#. Now, if you currently don't have any version of Visual Studio, including Visual C#, and you want to try it out with the free version, just go to this website and follow the install steps. With Visual C# installed, we've got a great integration development environment to start writing C# code. So let's do that. Click on Start, go to All Programs, and go to Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, and go to Microsoft Visual Studio. The welcome screen comes up, and it wants to know, do you want to open a project you've been working on, or are we starting something new? Let's go ahead and click on New Project. Now, there's several types of projects we could create. Without going into too many details, let's start off with one called a console application. And let's name this console application Hello World. And click OK. The Hello World program comes up, and basically the important part we need to learn about is main. Main is the starting point of your application, and it's going to run every single line of code between these two curly braces, which currently is nothing at all. Well, we want it to do something. We want it to display to the console, Hello World. So, what we're going to do, we're going to type this, console, and I'm hit tab, and then period, and then say right line, because what do I want to do with this console? I want it to right line, Hello World. End the quote, and now you end a statement with a semicolon. Let's go ahead and run this. Go to Debug, Start Debugging. Let's see if it runs. Does it say Hello World? There, it said it. Did you see it? Boy, that went kind of fast. You know what? I'm going to put a second line in there that says, don't kill the program until the user hits enter. So that would be a console.readline. End it with a semicolon. Okay? Now, we can keep going to debug start debugging, or you can just hit the F5 key on your keyboard. I'm going to hit F5. And it says, hello world. The second line, the console read line, hasn't finished. And it won't finish until I hit enter. So I'm going to hit enter now, which will complete the last line of code, which completes the application. And the execution terminates, and we're back to our source code. That finishes up Chapter 1.2, the programming environment. Next up, Chapter 1.3, basic C# code.